I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the unit off and removing any battery. You want no live power. Once done, ground yourself with an ESD strap and place the device on an anti-static mat. Make sure you have the correct drivers and a 30-40 watt soldering iron, flux, braid, and a magnifier. Identify whether the Type-C is a soldered port or a replaceable daughter board. This determines the path forward. Do this now so the repair goes smoothly and avoids unnecessary damage. You proceed by removing shields and screws, keeping every fastener organized and labeled. If the port is soldered, apply flux to pads, heat with hot air or a 30-40 W iron while gently lifting the port with tweezers. Use solder braid to clean pads afterward. If it's a modular daughter board, disconnect any ribbon cables, unscrew the board, and unclip the connector. Lift the board straight up to avoid tearing traces. Take photos as you go so reassembly matches the original or you now align the replacement Type-C port and tack 2 opposite corner pins to hold it flat. Then solder the remaining pins and ground pads evenly to avoid cold joints. Once soldered, clean flux residue and reassemble shielding, screws, and any ribbon connectors. Reconnect the battery. Power on and test data transfer, power delivery negotiation, and charging with multiple cables. If the device fails charging or data, recheck solder joints, bent pads, and continuity on CC pins. Use a magnifier and multimeter to trace faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.